So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand multiple displays. You now want to click on detect. See if that works for you. For the next method, you want to click on Windows P on your keyboard. Make sure that you have extend selected. For the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. I'm also going to be leaving 3 links down below for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I got the NVIDIA app. And then once you're on our software, you want to click on the driver tab. Now you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now for the last method, you just want to restart your computer. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.